This is a project of ZAMIN Academy. For personalized one-on-one tutoring, contact us by clicking the link in the video's description or our bio.
Hello and welcome to ZAMIN Academy. This is a quick update about my IELTS result. तो मैंने जो है IELTS दिया था 10th अगस्त को, वो जो था written था and it was academic, और जो overall band मुझे मिला है it is 7. I'm satisfied with this result because जैसा मैंने preparation की थी and it's a good result, और I'm fully satisfied, और इन्होंने अच्छा review भी दिया. I've read that and I'm going to read it again for you guys. Overall the experience was amazing. The timing and all of the people that were there were very supportive and very cooperative. I like the environment, and the test was conducted in a very comfortable environment. So I would highly suggest, अगर आप IELTS थ्रू टॉपिक के दरमियान कंफ्यूज हैं, तो क्योंकि मेरा IELTS का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है, तो चूज IELTS इफ यू प्रेफर इट, और अगर आपको इसकी समझ आती है तो 7th बैंड का मतलब ये होता है कि आई एम अ गुड यूजर as an operational command of the language, though with occasional inaccuracies, inappropriate uses, and misunderstanding in some situations. They generally handle complex language well and understand detailed reasoning. तो ये था एक ओवरऑल व्यू, जबकि मुझे लिसनिंग में 7 मिले हैं और रीडिंग में 7, अगेन राइटिंग में 6.5 एंड स्पीकिंग में 7.5. ओवरऑल माय बैंड इज 7. अब इन्होंने इंडिविजुअल भी मुझे रिव्यू दिया हुआ है कि आपके लिसनिंग में 7 है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है और आपने क्या क्या चीज़ें इसमें अच्छी की हैं, बुरी की हैं. सो द टेस्ट टेकर एट बैंड 7 कैन टिपिकली फॉलो एक्सटेंडेड स्पीच एंड अंडरस्टैंड डिटेल इंस्ट्रक्शन टू कंप्लीट टास्क इंक्लूडिंग सम involving complex ideas. They can identify ideas, attitude, opinions, or purposes which are implied by the speaker but not directly stated. They can easily understand meaning, including references within and between sentences without having to process individual words and structure. They can understand a wide range of vocabulary, including some idiomatic, technical, and academic language, even when the language and ideas are complex. So ये था एक इनका general सा overview. Listening और reading का जो view होता है, because it's not based on your because इतना एग्जामिनर को पता नहीं होता, इज गोइंग टू जज इट फ्रॉम द आंसर शीट, तो उसमें जैसे एक जनरल सा होता है. जबकि राइटिंग और स्पीकिंग का है, वो उन्होंने बहुत मुझे एक जबरदस्त सा दिया हुआ है एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेल. राइटिंग का मुझे पढ़ के खुद भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इनको एक एक डिटेल इन्होंने चेक किया, एंड आई वाज ग्लैड कि मुझे इन्होंने फिर भी 6.5 दे दिए. सो टेस्ट टेकर एट दिस बैंड कैन टिपिकली एड्रेस ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, सम मोर फुली देन अदर. दे कैन गिव एन ओवरव्यू, key features and bullet points are covered. The point of view and main ideas are relevant, but the conclusion may be unclear. So maybe this is my mistake कि मैंने conclusion जो है वो सही तरह नहीं लिखे. Some detail might be relevant or wrong. So that's the mistake that they are highlighting. Test taker can arrange their ideas logically so that the writing have a clear progression from start to finish. They're able to use some linking words well, but others with mistakes. So किसी जगह पे मैंने linking word अच्छे use किया, इस जगह पे मैंने mistake किया. They can paragraph the task to writing, although not always logically. They have, well, that's another mistake. They have enough vocabulary to answer the questions. So उन्होंने एक मुझे compliment भी किया कि आपकी vocabulary जो है वो काफ़ी है, enough है, it's good. They try to use some less common words, because I generally tend to use less common words, or cliche words use करना, it's not good, that I prefer not to use. So less common words इन्होंने को compliment मुझे दिया. They make some spelling mistake, तो कुछ मेरी spelling mistake भी हुई है, but the reader can still understand. Although मेरी spelling mistake नहीं है, but they got what I was trying to say. So they can write a mix of simple and complex sentences. The grammar and punctuation mistake do not usually cause difficulty for the reader. Although मेरी grammar और punctuation mistakes थी, but they are still saying कि reader को जो है उनकी बात समझ आ गई. So फिर भी इस वजह से उन्होंने मुझे 6.5 दे दी, और luckily I'm glad कि हमने फिर मुझे 6.5 दिए. Speaking में it's a very good review. Well, it actually it was conducted by, I think, a Japanese lady, and she gave me a good review, and she gave me good bands as well, 7.5. So test taker at this band can typically with ease and clearly at length, although with some repetition. So I repeated some words. So she mentioned that self-correction. I don't know why she used, but let's hope it's for the best. Over hesitation to search for words or grammar. तो इन्होंने ये भी कहा कि आपने एक तो क्वेश्चन में जो है hesitate किया आंसर करने में. She's right, by the way. Speaking is generally well organized and ideas are generally clear. So ये compliment दिया कि clear and well linked. They use a wide range of vocabulary. तो इन्होंने जी एक मेरी तारीफ दोबारा से की है कि आपकी vocabulary जो है वो wide range की है. Although not always accurately, they can paraphrase well if needed. They can use a range of grammar structures. So another compliment, sentences are frequently accurate, although there are some errors. Okay, जी. Pronunciation is generally natural and clear. So जो मेरी pronunciation है वो natural और clear है with some occasional problems. It can be because I'm not a native speaker. They are usually easy to understand and their accent does not have much effect on understanding. क्योंकि मेरा accent अब इतना बुरा नहीं है कि जो मैंने words बोले उनको समझना आए. So this is actually the overall review of my IELTS exam. So I scored 7, listening में 7, and reading maybe 7, writing में 6.5, and speaking में 7.5. Overall, I'm happy. The experience was overwhelming and it was good. The result जो है वो 1-2 दिन late आया, but I'm still happy कि आ गया, and it's in my favor. So if you need any help or guidance, you can comment below or you can contact me through my through the link that is provided in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any guidance or if this is helpful to you, you can help me by supporting this channel by subscribing to this channel or joining the membership. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.